What is up, everybody? This is Mitch with the final update on Hurricane Laura. It is staring down Louisiana and looking to really make devastating impacts to Louisiana and parts of Texas. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Awesome way to support me. I really would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Tune in. So check it out. This thing is a monster. Category 4 hurricane right now. Still strengthening, still deepening, just getting stronger. Just look at it. I mean, the eye. It's symmetrical. It's just a beautiful disaster unfolding right now, and it is still getting stronger. And that's the thing, is if it had more room, it would become a Category 5 hurricane, and it still might. Hurricane Michael did that, and this storm's a good comparison to Michael because it's strengthening all the way up to landfall, and the size of it is comparable to Hurricane Michael too. I'm talking about Hurricane Michael from 2 years ago to hit the Panhandle. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, incredible. It is, and here it is on the radar scope. Just look at it. You can already see the eye. By the time some of y'all watch this, it would be much closer to the coast. But look at them outer bands. The outer bands are just lethal already. So the biggest thing that we're going to talk about here, and this is going to be a shorter video, but I'm going to get to the point quick, is the storm surge. The whole entire coastal area of Louisiana sits at very, very low elevation, pretty far inland. 20-30 miles inland, only sits at almost maybe 5 foot high. So National Hurricane Center, this is pretty much out the window at this point. There's not a whole lot into this. We already know what it's going to do. We kind of know where it's going to hit. Storm surge up to 15 to 20 foot. Guys, that is incredible storm surge. Reason why is because of the elevation of where the core of the storm is going to hit, where the eye wall is going to affect. Devastating, catastrophic storm surge is by far going to be the biggest threat here. Cool map that I saw Brad Panovich post today. The little graph right there to the side, 0 to 5 foot. Look how far inland that goes. That's over 30 miles inland. So all you got to get is 5 foot of storm surge, and you're causing flooding and 10, 20 miles inland. These areas are supposed to get maybe up to 12 to 20 feet of storm surge. I'm telling you, this is the real deal. It's going to happen at nighttime, and it's just going to be catastrophic damage. It is going to cause major damage, and it's a scary thing. For people who love weather, yeah, we love it, but we hate to see things like this happen. There's a lot of storm chasers in this area chasing, and it's going to be a nighttime event. Dangerous situation. The wind already is a major deal, but the storm surge, kind of like in Katrina, is going to be a major deal. These are scary words by the National Hurricane Center. It takes a lot for them to say something like this. Unsurvivable storm surge. Unsurvivable. It's telling you right now, if you're going to get out, you could potentially die. That is big. So this is the latest European. This is pretty much not a big deal at this point because we know where it's going. Check out the core of the storm making landfall overnight. Works its way in. Obviously, it shows a completely intact eye wall. So there's going to be no breaks in it. It's going to strengthen all the way till landfall. Loses its punch, obviously, just like any tropical system does as it moves inland. And it kind of begins, and then it interacts with a trough, which is a cold front, and it pushes it due east immediately. And what it's going to do for us in the Carolinas is it's going to create a very breezy day. I don't think we'll get much moisture from it here in South Carolina, but it is going to be a very breezy day Saturday, and that is going to be directly affected because of this, because the remnants of whatever is left of Laura. So check out the rainfall, obviously where the core of it is, 15, 20 inches of rain on top of the whatever flooding happens with the storm surge. Terrible conditions. Real quick, there's already a little tropical wave out there near the Lesser Antilles that has a chance to develop, 20% chance to develop in the next 5 days. Insult to misery, for real. Thank y'all for watching. People are going to die tonight, and I hate to say it like that, but it's the truth. So let's all say a prayer for Texas and Louisiana, and let's really just lift up our hands for them guys, for real, because a really troublesome situations is unfolding there right now. So thank y'all for watching it, and have a blessed day.